You just need 10 minutes to make this cute rose. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make this cute small rose in just 10 minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this rose in just 10 minutes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. So let's begin our video. The material we need for our rose is red color yarn and then scissors to cut the yarn at the end, and I'm using 2.5mm hook. You can use as your yarn size, and I'm using yarn needles to weave the ends. So let's begin our video. Start with the slip knot. Make a slip knot. And then now we are going to make 17 chains. Just make 17 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. I made a mistake while counting. Now we are going to skip the first chain and then make 3 double crochet in the next chain. Make 3 double crochet in the one chain. 1. Now make 2 more double crochet in the same chain. 2 and 3. Now make 3 double crochet in the next chain also. In this row we are going to make 3 double crochet in one chain. We are going to make 3 double crochet in the total of 16 chains. Make 3 double crochet in one chain. Just repeat the pattern till the end. After making 3 double crochet in the 16 chains, now we are going to chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now we are going to hide the yarn tails with the help of yarn needle. Just hide it in your own way. I am also hiding it. Now we are going to glue it with the help of hot glue gun. You can also sew it. I am going to glue it. If you want to sew, you can sew it with the help of yarn needle. I am using hot glue to glue it and make it in a shape, perfect shape. So just glue it just like I am doing. As you can see, our cute little rose is ready. You can attach it in your blanket bouquet and make a cute keychain from this. So by following this tutorial video, you can easily make this cute little rose in just 10 minutes at home. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make it. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.